We all have that one person in our life that brings out all our insecurities. They remind us of what we don't have. Just thinking about that person or just being around that person makes us so uncomfortable, makes us anxious and also angry. There are two ways that people deal with jealousy. First, jealousy turns outwards. You gossip. You don't feel guilty spreading rumors about that person. You say something to bring down that person, and in some cases you become psychotic and you abuse that person physically or verbally. Okay, second is jealousy turning inwards. We all are trying to live a life like angels or saints, that we ignore bad emotions. Okay, we see this kind of people in our everyday life. They are very sweet, they take care of other people's feelings. So what happens is they won't show that they are jealous. They won't even notice that they are jealous. They somehow, their jealousy get buried inside. Buried inside. Okay, I think you get the message. Over time, what happens? This jealousy becomes self-pity, and it becomes self-criticizing, criticizing thoughts, and slowly it brings down their confidence. How I know? I've been there and I've done that. Recognize and accept that you are jealous. This is the first step because bad emotions need to be honored too. Understand that jealousy is actually our own unfulfilled desires. So what I am saying is, when you are jealous at a person who is getting all the respect in the family, it simply means you want to grow to a place where everyone respects you the same. When you are jealous at someone who is beautiful, who is stylish, it simply means you want to be that person. So, are you going to deny this? I tell you what, think about it in your shower. It will make perfect sense, and then you come back and leave comment. It's pretty simple, isn't it? So write down what specific qualities that makes you jealous at a person. It can be respect, it can be attention, it can be success, it can be friendship, bonding. So recognize what is that special quality that makes you so uncomfortable about that person. Work on this 200%. So this is how I honor my jealousy and understand that emotions are there to help us to understand ourselves. So have you guys subscribed to my channel yet? It's very important for me because it will help me a lot. And if you like this video, leave a comment. Even if you don't like this video, say something nice. I see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Good luck.